So when the water goes, it goes up in the air.
Rain and snow from a tiny drop?
Push it.
This week, Yang Fan Preschool turned the water cycle into an adventure.
It goes to the ocean. Then it rains.
From cloud to puddle, our kids discovered the water cycle through interactive stories and science games. Put on our water cycle headbands and boom! We're part of the water cycle. Make a water cycle windsock, and you'll see the water change as the wind catches it. Need a clearer picture? We'll show you the water cycle live.
Rain.
Let's put the water cycle in a bag and wrapped it up by filling out our observation journal. Where curiosity meets hands-on discovery, that's Yang Fan Preschool.